Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly walk you through our AI Overview scorecard and how you can use it to easily identify content opportunities and optimization adjustments to better optimize your content for Google's AI Overviews. So let's say you wanted to optimize a piece of content for how to choose a smart TV, maybe you're LG and you say, hey, my content's ranking the traditional search results, but it's not appearing in the AI overviews here, and we want to know what we can adjust in this piece of content in order to increase its chances of appearing in Google's AI overviews. So what you can do is you can go to the AI Overview scorecard here, you'll plug in your query, you'll plug in your target URL, and then you'll generate your report. And once it's done, it's going to take about 2 minutes to create. You'll get a scorecard that looks like this. What the tool is going to do is it's going to embed the AI overview, and it's going to embed the content on your site, and then using similarity scoring, it's going to make recommendations for new content to add and passage level optimization that you can use, as well as provide overall scoring. So at the top, you'll see your overall score. Here, we might not be performing particularly well when it comes to AI overviews. That's going to be based on the content gap. So here we can see we have 14 out of 18 AI overview topics not covered, so we'll probably need more topical coverage on our page in order to get included, and you can see we only got cited as a source one time. And then that results in the D letter grade. We'll extract the actual AI overview text here. This is going to be text that we embed, right? And then we'll compare that with the embeddings on your page to actually start generating our recommendations. At the top, these recommendations will be more based around net new content that you can create. So hey, maybe consider adding key factors for choosing a smart TV in a bulleted list near the top of your page. Hey, maybe in the other features to look for section, talk about refresh rates, you're missing that. In the audio quality section, call out built-in speakers versus sound bars, and maybe mentioned some other products here. So some actual net new content that you could potentially add to your site in order to make it more friendly for AI overviews. Then what it's going to do is actually going to do a paragraph by paragraph analysis. This analysis is going to check whether you, one, have the actual content that you need in order to appear in AI overviews, and two, if you don't have the content or it might be lacking a little bit, potential suggested rewrites that you can make. So here you can see an example AI overview paragraph. It's going to use similarity scoring to actually match the closest paragraph on your page. It's going to say, hey, it is included on your page, but it's not included in the AI overviews. So we're going to actually provide a suggested rewrite that you can review and make edits to that could potentially be a little bit more friendly and score higher in terms of similarity into the AI overviews. Same thing here. Hey, in this example, we have an AI overview text. Here's the closest matching text on our site, but it is included in the AI overview, so we're not going to make a rewrite suggestion for that. But here's another example we're not getting included in the AI overview, so here's a suggested rewrite. It's going to do this for all the different topics that it finds in the AI overviews. And here it'll even start to say, hey, here are examples where we just have content that's completely missing from the AI overviews. We need to include this as net new content on the site directly. And it'll do this for every single topic, in this example all 18 that the tool covered. As well, we'll also give you suggested new markdown that you can utilize to basically make this just a little bit easier. So here you'll actually see the old markdown on the left, and then the suggested new markdown on the right, and the new changes will be highlighted in green right here for your team to review. And our team, when we're going through these optimizations, we like to review them as well to make sure that we're putting our own touch on these recommendations and consulting from your brand specifically. That's just a really quick walkthrough on how our AI overview tool works. Feel free to check it out and see if you can experiment with it and looking at some of your queries to make them more friendly for Google's AI overviews.